Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami paper bunny. All you're going to need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and you will start by folding our paper in half. In next step, you will open it and you will fold the sides of the paper to the center line. And now we'll bring this top corner in to the center line. So we'll fold it in a triangle. And once we have it, just press it down. And now we'll repeat the same step for all of the corners. And we will reverse fold this last step, so open it, press it down, and follow the lines for pressing your paper up. And do the same with all of the corners. Like this. Now we'll turn our paper around and we'll fold this top flap of the paper over. So just press it over and press it down. Just like this. Now we'll turn our paper around again and we'll fold this top line to the center line. So we'll fold it in half and press it down. And the same with the other side. Just like this. In next step, we'll fold our paper over on this line where there are creases and just flip it over and press them down. Now we'll fold our bunny in half, so just press it downwards, and we will take the bunny ears and lift them a little bit up in this direction. So just lift them, slide them up, and once you're happy with the position, you just hold it where the paper meets and you pinch the bottom of the paper like this. And now we will open again this paper and we'll take this part of the paper out and we will fold it about a half from here and we will fold it in. This will be the snout of the bunny. Really press it firmly, and now we'll fold it in on the lines that we pressed, just like this. In next step, we'll fold the back of the bunny and we'll fold it here where the line breaks. So on this point, we'll take the back part of the bunny and we'll try to align this line with this bottom line. And once we have it, press it down really firmly. Now we will reverse fold this last part, so we will open our bunny and we'll press the paper in on the lines that we folded, and now the legs of the bunny are underneath this part. And now we'll also fold the tail of the bunny, and we'll fold it here where this line meets and go up with it. So fold paper like this, align it with this line, press it down, do the same on the other side. So fold it where this meets and align it. And now you can just flip this paper inwards, or you can reverse fold it, whatever you prefer. Just like this. Now we are almost finished with our bunny. We'll just open the ears a little bit, so slide your finger in the pocket. Like this. And if you want, you can also draw an eye on the bunny. Just like this. This is how you make origami bunny. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for more videos. Till next time, bye!